If you use Evernote every day, you already know how quickly old notes can pile up and clutter your workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive notes in Evernote using two simple methods so you can stay organized without losing important information. We'll cover how to move notes into an archive notebook and how to export notes to your computer for long-term storage. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first method is the easiest if you want to keep your notes inside Evernote, but out of the way of your active projects. This is perfect for finished tasks, old meeting notes, completed research, or anything you don't need in your daily workflow anymore. To start, open the Evernote desktop app and look at the left sidebar. Find the notebook section because that's where we're going to create a dedicated archive space. Click the new notebook button or the plus icon if that's what your version shows. When the notebook name box appears, give it a clear label so you can recognize it instantly later. A name like Archive 2026 works really well, but you can also use Archive Old Notes or anything that fits your system. The goal is to make it obvious that this notebook is for content you want to keep, but not actively use. Once your archive notebook is created, go back to your notes list. Now you can start selecting the notes you want to archive. If it's just one note, click it normally. If you want to archive multiple notes at once, hold Shift on Windows or Command on Mac and select everything you want to move. This is a huge time saver if you're cleaning up a large notebook or an entire batch of older notes. After your notes are selected, right-click on them to open the context menu. From there, choose Move To. Evernote will show you a list of notebooks, and this is where you select the archive notebook you created a moment ago. Click Archive 2026 or whatever name you used, and Evernote will move those notes into that folder immediately. This method is great because the notes are still stored in Evernote, which means you can search them later, reopen them anytime, and keep everything connected to your account. It's a clean way to separate active work from completed work without deleting anything. Now let's move on to the second method, which is best if you want to archive notes outside of Evernote and save them directly on your computer. This is helpful when you want to reduce clutter in your account, back up important information, or store old notebooks offline for safekeeping. To do this, first select the notes you want to archive or right-click on an entire notebook if you want to export everything inside it. Once you've made your selection, right-click again and choose Export. In some versions of Evernote, this may appear as Export Notes or Export Notebook, but the process is the same. Next, Evernote will ask you to choose a file format. You'll usually see ENEX and HTML. If you want the best option for possibly re-importing the notes back into Evernote later, choose ENEX. If you want something easy to open and read in a web browser, choose HTML. For most users, ENEX is the better archival choice because it preserves more of the original note structure. After that, choose the folder on your computer where you want to save the exported file. Pick a location that's easy to remember, like your Documents folder, a backup drive, or a dedicated archive folder. Then click Export and let Evernote save the file. Once the export finishes, your notes are safely stored on your computer. You can keep them as a backup, move them to cloud storage, or organize them into dated folders for future reference. This is especially useful if you're archiving old projects, research material, or notes you don't need to access every day. So to recap, if you want to archive notes while keeping them inside Evernote, create a separate archive notebook and move your notes there. If you want to store them externally, export them as ENX or HTML and save the file on your computer. Both methods are simple, effective, and great for keeping your Evernote account organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Evernote and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.